Oh, yan na si Ashley. Ano yan? Anong klaseng chamber yan?
You'll soon harbor an awesome power. Yet it seems you would rather choose death.
I'm taking Ashley back, whether you like it or not.
Ah, the audacity of youth.
Gagi. Sinalo lahat eh.
Leon, now!
Oh my god, magta-transform na ata siya. Ay! Nasa movie rin yun ah.
Move!
Let's go!
Ay ako, Ada. Tumakas ka na rin. Ay, no. Ayan, sa wakas nandiyan na si Inday. Meron na namang sagabal sa pakikipagbarilan natin. Oh my god, merchant, na miss kita. Ang dami ko ng pera ata. Teka lang. Ano bang bagong pwedeng mabili sa iyo? Or
Welcome!
ano bang pwedeng ma-upgrade at least?
Got a selection of... What are you buying?
Okay, mukhang walang bago, unfortunately.
What
Wala
are you
rin ata
buying?
mag-tune up dito. Parang hindi ko naman masyado kailangan i-upgrade to. I don't know.
Is
Ito
that
na
all?
siguro.
Thank you.
Ito na ba yung pinakamalakas na ano? Ah, ito rin pala.
Is
Okay,
that all?
mga mamurahin lang yung
Thank you.
i-upgrade ko. Ayan, para
Thank you.
ma-upgrade.
Thank you. Come back anytime.
Okay, thank you so much. Wala pang sinalita si Ashley since nakuha natin siya. Oh, tek. Malalaki yan. Gogi. Buhay pa yung malaki. Ba yan? Yes. Okay, saan ang tamang daan? Wait, what? Ano pong dito? Oh. Ito rin pala yun. May daanan pala dito. Ba't ba ako bumalik dito? Okay, anyways.
This hunk of junk? I don't know about this, Leon.
There's only one way to find out. You operate.
Okay.
you sure you want to do this?
Yeah.
Alright,
Wala naman kayong
here
option
goes
eh.
nothing.
Okay, magaling. Ay, bigla na lang nawala.
How are you feeling?
Like $1,000,000.
I thought you were gonna die. Alright, guess I'm up.
Okay. Malala ka, Inday, kapag nawala si Leon. Nice.
You okay? I don't know about
Ate
you,
Inday, ah.
but I think it's time we go home.
Taray naman, ganun-ganun lang nila natanggal yung parasite na yan. Hayop na parasite yan. At saka ang galing, akala ko lalabas sa katawan nila. Yung pala, matutunaw lang sa loob ng katawan nila. It's amazing. Ay, putik. Gulat naman ako doon. Sana ba? Okay, dito pala kami galing. So, dito. Huh. Walang space. Napakagaling. Okay, inventory management po muna tayo. Patalastas lang, ganun. Medyo naalala ko bigla yung mga pangyayari, I don't know. Pero bibilin ko lang yan pag nag-sale. Siyempre kuripot tayo eh. Kaya ganun. Natapos mo na professional. O, kumusta naman? Masyado ba mahirap? Malamang for me, masyado yung mahirap. Skill issue gamer po ako. Sa PC po ito. And, ewan ko ba, ang weird ng controls sa PC? Or siguro hindi lang ako sanay. Mas okay pa ako sa Android. Mas okay yung para sa akin yung
Welcome. Got a selection of. What are you buying?
Wala naman akong pambili. 60k, mahal. Ano kaya pwedeng...
What are
ano
you
kaya pwedeng
selling?
i-sell? Ang mura naman ito. Next herb.
Come back anytime.
Okay. What? Hindi na kasya. Hold on. Maybe I should sell some of my grenades. Ay,
What are you selling?
incendiary, flash grenade.
Is that
Dalawa
all?
lang. I just wanna free up some of my inventory space.
Something's not right. Ashley, you stay here.
Huh? What is not right? Ay, gagi.
Ada! Better try a
Good,
new
that's
trick,
it.
cause that one's getting old. You okay?
I've been better.
Sayang yung kutsilyo mo, Leo.
What's so funny?
Andun ulit.
Oh, I think you know. The American
Ilang kutsilyo ba meron
prevailing
ka?
is a cliche that only happens in your Hollywood movies. Oh, Mr. Kennedy, you entertain me. To show my appreciation, I will help you awaken from your world of cliches.
Ada, stand back.
Gusto ko pala may merchant mo, tsaka save ko. Cool looking. Okay. Buti na wala dito si Ashley. Walang sagabar sa atin. Wala, paano ko dadaan niya? Padaan ko. Ano yung weak point? Paano ko siya matatalo? Okay, buti na lang kasya pa. Hindi ko nakakatakot yun. Let's take it. Okay, ganun pala. So, pwede ba natin siyang baril-barilin? Babato siya ng steel beam. Okay. I think I found his weakness. Shit! Akala ko na one hit. Oo, tek na yan. Nabutang pa. Wala ba? Ano ba yan? Stop moving! The heck? Nag-reload pa nga. Ano ba yan? Clear shot na. What? Sige, lapit ka dito. Baka kailangan na naman natin i-operate. Operahan ka na naman. Palit mo ha. Okay, kasi may babarilin. Pala yung mukha niya. Wait. Laging inaabutan. Saan siya? Okay, kami yung mga mata mo. Yun! Ganun lang pala. Okay, Okay, gets ko na. Stay there. Kanina pala dito. Ay! Uy! Wala, nabato niyo pa rin. Wait, dapat siguro Magnum yung gamit. Diyan pala ako. Shit! Oh my God! Naunahan niya ako. Nakakaloka naman mag-play dito. Okay, ito lang dito. Ba't pa kaya ito gamitin? Ay, hindi na. Gagi. Tingnan. Buti hinampas ka lang. Minalibag ka lang. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Oh, shit! Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, isa pa. Oh my freaking goodness. On.
Use this.
Oh shit! Nasaan yan? Ate, saan mo binato? Madam! Shoota ka. Hindi ko mahanap. Ayan. Special rocket launcher. Bakit hindi kasha? Gaano ba kalaki? Gaano ba ito kalaki? Isang ganito? Ano ba yan? Maglilipat pa ako. And ayoko na nitong mga flash grenade ha. Tapon na yan. Hindi ko alam kung gagana ba yan sa boss. Wait. Nanginayang naman ako dito sa ano. Oo na. Ano ba gamit ko? Ay, wala na nga pala akong bala. Okay. Okay, buksan mo yung mga mata. na ba natin gamitin? Pag ito sumablay. Oh, okay. It's the cure.
Sorry, Leon. Hand it over.
Ada, you do know what this is.
Miss ka po.
Don't
Pa siya
worry.
ng chopper?
I'll take good care of it.
Ada!
Gotta go. If I were you, I'd get off this island too.
She really pushed it.
Here, catch. Better get a move on. See you around.
Ewan ko ba dito sa babaeng to?
Very cute.
Jet ski key. Ano ba yan? Kaharang pa to. Nasaan yung elevator? Okay, dito nga pala ako galing. Pati ba naman yung cutscene kasama pa rin sa ano?
Leon,
We have to get off this island now. It's gonna blow any minute.
it's gonna what?
Wala nang kuda-kuda. Uy, kawawa naman yung merchant. Isama niyo yung merchant. Teka, wala akong hawak, wala akong binigyan. Baka mamaya may ma-encounter kami. Talon, madam. Saan ba yung jet ski key na yan? Ayan.
Hang on, sweetheart.
Ay! Akala ko cutscene na to dito. Control ko pala yung jet ski. Okay, sana hindi kami sumablay. Ano ba, bibilis to? Ayan! Ay! Ayan naman.
Please! Behind us!
I know. Just hold on.
Ito na nga, nag-accelerate na tayo. Yan! Baka mamaya mamali ako ng liko. Ah! Yan na nga. Oh shit! Oh!
Ashley!
Oh, tek na.
Ashley! Where are ya?
Nalaglag si Pepe.
Leon!
Come on. Let's go home.
Sounds like a great idea. Mission accomplished. Right, Leon?
Not quite. I still have to get you home safe.
Ay, grabe.
So, after you take me back to my place, how about we do some, overtime?
Sorry.
Somehow I knew you'd say that, but it doesn't hurt to ask, you know? So, who was that woman anyway?
Coke, madam.
Why do you ask?
Come on, tell me.
She's like a part of me I can't let go. Let's leave it at that.
Medyo unexpected ah. Hindi ko alam na malapit na pala ako sa ending nun. Ay! Okay. Yan na yun. Thank you so much sa panonood. And see you again. Pwede ba skip to? Gara, natapos agad.
Hunnigan,
hindi ko
is that
nabasa
you?
yun.
Finally, the line's jack free.
Hey, Hunnigan, no glasses.
Forget the glasses. What's the status of the mission?
I've rescued the subject. We're returning home.
You did it, Leon.
Thanks. You know, you're kind of cute without those glasses. Give me your number when I get back.
May I remind you that you're still on duty.
Story of my life.
Ba yan? Si Ashley tinanggihan mo? Oh, nag-close na lang siya. Yan po talaga to?